This is on page 471. So we've already done 2b, but now we're going to go back and look at 2a. Now that we've worked on our unit circle and have our pie plates made, it says determine the exact values for all the 6 trig ratios for negative 420 degrees. So one of the things you're going to have to do is figure out where is negative 420 degrees? What family does it belong to? So negative means, again, it always starts here. Negative means that it's going around in this direction. This would be negative 360 to here. We would go another 60 degrees more. So this is telling us that our reference angle is 60 degrees, and therefore your values are going to be part of your 60-degree family. So then we can now say, from our pie plate, so sine of negative 420 degrees, cos of negative 420 degrees, and tan of negative 420 degrees. So at 60 degrees, do you remember which one was equal to a half? Sine, cos, or tan? Cos was equal to a half. Now, if cos is equal to a half, then sine will be root 3 over 2. Again, you can think about your coordinates on your unit circle here. And because it's in quadrant 4, sine's going to be negative. Again, that's your cast rule, but also if you think about cos is your x-coordinate, and sine is your y-coordinate, does it make sense that in quadrant 4 your x-coordinate is positive, your y-coordinate is negative? And finally, tan of 60 degrees is root 3, so tan of negative 420 degrees will be negative root 3. Again, for the 60-degree family, I mentioned this earlier, 60 degrees is pi over 3, and I use that 3 on the bottom to remember that tan of 60 degrees is root 3. And if it was pi over 6 family, well then it would be root 3 over 3, because I remember that 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's a little memorization thing that I use, but there are our 3 values for the primary trig ratios. Now that we have those, the secondary trig ratios of cosecant of negative 420 degrees, secant of negative 420 degrees, and cotangent of negative 420 degrees, we can just take the answers we have for sine, cos, and tan and do the reciprocal. So this one will be negative 2 over root 3. This will be 2 over 1, and 1 over negative root 3. And you don't need to rationalize, you can leave things just like that. So the ones you can do for practice are questions 7, 8, and 6.